Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope you people are doing good. I'm also doing great. So I wanted to tell you one thing. Uh, I will be telling for the if you're coming for the first time for my channel, let me tell you one thing. This is a 30-day challenge where we will be learning English. It's a mutual learning process where you and me will be learning. Okay. So this today is day 1. Day 0 is done where we have introduced how to improve our English. So today is day 1 where we will be learning two things today. One is the technique. What is the technique which we are going to improve sorry, what is the technique which we are going to learn today? And the second one is the phrases, 10 important phrases which we are going to use in our daily life. By sharing this, so in this video I will be doing the half of the part where I will be sharing you the technique and useful things like phrases and how we are going to improve our English. So the second part is the next half should be done by you, where you will be practicing it and you will be listening to my video. Just come every day, come to my channel, listen to my video and practice it. Record a video and check out the transitions which are going from day 0 to day 30. And definitely I promise you, you and me are going to learn from you and me are going to improve our communication skills. So if you are an expert, fine, you can put in the comment section if there are any mistakes which I'm going to talk. And if you are a beginner, let's begin and let's start our journey and we will all improve our English. So today is day 1 where we will be posting a video. I'll be sharing with you two things. One is the technique which I'm going to tell you, and the second one is the phrases which we will be going to which are going to help us in our day-to-day life. The first thing is find a buddy or find a friend or find a partner with whom you can talk in English, where it can be your friend, it can be your sister, your brother, or your husband or your child. Anyone it can be. It can be anyone. Just find a partner and talk to them only in English. The first thing where we will improve our communication skills. And one more thing which I have told you in the previous video, you have to think only in English. So if you think only in English, then you can improve then the words will come out in only in English, where there will not be pause when you are speaking in English. The technique for today is copy or mimic someone whom you feel like they are my idols. You feel like yes, this person is excellent speaker in English. This person talks great in English. So if you feel like someone is excellent in English, you can just watch them, observe them, and copy them and follow them. The only thing is, yes, what I'm telling is true, which happened to me in my life as well. I'll share you the story also. When I was in my schooling, in my 8th or 9th standards, we had our English teacher who is Uma ma'am. Her name is Uma. She was from North India, where she can't speak, she can only speak two languages, either English or Hindi. So if you want to talk to her, you can speak either of the two languages. Okay. Whenever I used to have a doubt or whenever I used to talk to her, I only used to talk to her in English. And then the second thing is, whenever she was our English teacher. Whenever she was teaching English, so when teacher teaches English, the thing is, she would be reading English. She would be reading. First thing, they will be reading the lesson. So when teacher is reading the lesson, I will also start. I was also reading the lesson along with her. I was also reading the lesson along with her, but remember, it is in my mind, not loudly. I used to pronounce the same way how she was pronouncing, and I used to read the same way how she was reading. So this, I think, this was the feeling. This was the thing which helped me to improve my language. I feel like that. And when I spoke to her also, she told me the same way. She used to copy or she used to follow her teacher, it seems, her lecturer when she was in college. So she also told me the same thing. where she used to follow. So I like noticingly or unnoticingly, we will be following either any of us. Most of us will be copying or following most our teachers, our parents, or we will be having someone as a role model. So we will be following them. Try to copy them. Try to follow them. There is nothing wrong in that. So you people are learning. It's a learning process where we will be learning. You and me are going to learn together. So if there are any mistakes, no one is perfect in this world. Everyone will have their loopholes. So we will improve our language. Okay? Coming to the phrases part, today I will be telling you ten phrases which are going to be helpful for you and for me as well. Okay? So for the first phrase is, how are you? So whenever you see a stranger, talk to them in English. Nothing is wrong in this world. So nothing is wrong until it is a theft or a robbery you're doing, or something other things you're doing for that. Okay, nothing is going to be wrong. So if you see a stranger, say hi, hello, how are you? So immediately they'll say, I'm good, I'm great, I'm doing good. So these would be the answers. The second, coming to the next. The second thing is, when you're talking to a stranger, you'll ask them, can I know your name? What's your name? Can you tell me your name? These can be the questions you can ask a stranger when you see them, if you want to know their name. The next thing, what do you do? What do you do is nothing but asking their profession. What is their profession? Where they can say, I'm a teacher, I'm a homemaker. If he is not doing something, if he or she is not doing something, they can say homemaker, I'm a homemaker, I'm a lecturer, I'm a businessman. You can tell all these answers if they ask you. Okay. The next phrase is, if you're talking to a stranger and the voice they are telling or what they are speaking is not clear for you, you can say, pardon me, or I didn't get you. So it's nothing but these two phrases are nothing but asking them to repeat again, because you're not able to understand what they're telling. So you can ask them to repeat again. Instead of telling repeat, please repeat. So you can say, pardon me, or I didn't get you. These two are the phrases to use instead of repeat. Please repeat. Instead of telling please repeat, you can say, I didn't get you, or pardon me. Okay. So if your friend has lost something in his or her business, you can say, and he or she is feeling bad, you can say, don't be so emotional, be cool, everything will be all right. You can say, don't be so emotional. If your friend or he or she is feeling bad, you can say, don't be so emotional, be happy, be cool, stay calm. You can use all these phrases to make someone calm. And you're done talking, and you're done for the day, and you can say, instead of saying bye, see you tomorrow, or see you next week, or see you other day, I'll meet you. Okay, these are the phrases you can use. Stranger, you can ask them, where are you from? From which place? Instead of asking from which place you're from, you can say, where are you from? Can I know from which place you have come from? You can ask them. And they'll say, I'm from Ongole, I'm from Hyderabad, I'm from Warangal, I'm from Telangana, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. These can be the answers from you. And the next phrase is, you can ask them, how is life? So if he or she is your friend, if the other person is your friend, you can ask them, how is life? How is life going on? So then there will be answer, it's cool. If it's going good, they'll say it's good, it's cool. If it's going in a medium range, they'll say it's going on. If it's going this thing like it's very low, or they're in dull mood, and they'll say it's okay. They'll say it's okay. Then the next phrase is, you have shared your opinion with your friend, and you have shared your opinion, and you'll ask them, what do you think about this? What do you think? Whether I did a right thing or a wrong thing. You can ask in this way. Okay? What do you think about this? Or what do you think about this situation? What do you think about this situation? What can we do in this situation? And the next thing is, I really appreciate your hard work. I really appreciate your efforts. So this phrase can be used when any friend or when your brother or sister, someone did a great work and good efforts, and they have put some great efforts to do a job, and they have completed it and they are successful in it, and then you can tell them, I really appreciate your hard work. I really appreciate your talent. This can be used in this context. And the next one is, if your friend is in some if your friend is in some in some busy work, and you go and disturb him, you can tell him, sorry to bother you. You can say this phrase, sorry to bother you. Okay. And then the next thing, or you can tell them, sorry to disturb you. You can use these two phrases for telling them that sorry to disturb you or sorry to bother you. Okay. So this is it for today. The homework for today is, talk about your favorite thing. It can be a movie. So because most of you are watching a movie, or you can talk about a book which you like. Okay. Talk about a book or a movie which is your favorite, and post me a video on my Insta ID. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And finally, I'll tell you one thing. Please hit the like button, and please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications from me every day. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.